In the last class, we worked with the BPT or basic proportionality theorem. Now this theorem is the fundamental theorem based on which other similarity criteria of triangles are derived. The theorems, the criteria that we will discuss today, all are derived from the basic proportionality theorem. So that theorem, the basic proportionality theorem, is a very important one. You have to remember the proof also. Now the criteria that we will discuss today, the proofs are not that important, but you have to remember the criteria for their applications, where we will apply them in equations. The application side, that is important. Okay, so remember the criteria so that we can apply them in solving problems. So let us start with the first one, that is AA criteria. What does this AA criteria means? It means angle criteria. So it says that two triangles are two triangles are similar if two triangles are said to be similar if two of their angles are equal. Okay, suppose ABC, DEF are two triangles. If angle B is angle E and angle A is angle D, then they are said to be similar. So the two triangles are similar if their two angles are equal. That is the first criteria, AA or angle. Okay. Now this is also known as triple A criteria, angle. Because if two angles are equal, then automatically the third angle is equal. If two angles of a triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then automatically the third angle is equal. Why? Because the three angles together is always 180 degree. Okay? So if two angles are equal, and to other two angles of the other triangle, then the third angle also will be equal. Okay, because the summation is always equal to 180 degree, and the third angle can be obtained by subtracting the value of the other two angles, right? Because in this triangle, the third angle will be 180 degree minus angle A, angle B, and here also it will be similar, 180 degree minus C plus angle D. So angle E plus angle D. So A plus B is equal to E plus D. So it follows that this angle is also equal to this angle. So this criteria is also called triple A criteria. Angle criteria is also called angle criteria. The second similarity criteria is SSS or side criteria. What does it say? It says that if corresponding sides of one triangle are in proportion to the corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, what does that mean? It simply means that AB by DE BC by EF AC by DF. AB by DE, AB by DE, then BC by EF and AC by DF. They are equal. If that is the case, then the two triangles are similar. Okay. Mind you, I did not say they are congruent. They are similar. So in similarity, size can be different. Okay. In congruency, you should have shape and size same, exact carbon copy. But in similarity, the size can be different, but in proportion, like this. So if the three sides of a triangle are in proportion with the three sides of another triangle, then they are similar. Okay. By the way, let me give you an example. Suppose this triangle, it is 5 centimeter, this 6 centimeter, this 7 centimeter. Okay. Then 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 14 centimeter. Now they are in proportion. Why? Because AB by DE. What is AB by DE? AB is 5 by DE is 10. Right? What is the value of this? This is 5 by 10 equal to half. This is equal to BC by EF. What is BC? 7 by EF is 14. This is also equal to half. Right? Which is equal to AC by DF. What is AC by DF? It is 6 by 12. This is also equal to half. Right? So, the ratio is same. Right? I have multiplied each side by 2 and we got another triangle whose sides are in proportion to the older triangle. Okay. So these are in the same ratio. AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF, they are in the same ratio. Then they are similar. Now suppose we have another triangle where the values are say 12, then say 11 and they say 15. Are these two similar? Are this and this similar? Let us see. 5 by 12, AB by, this is D, E, F. So AB by DE, the first one, is 5 by 12. How much we get? Anything here common? No. What is the next one? BC by EF. BC 15 by EF. What is EF? Sorry, BC 7 by 15. 7 by 15 EF. Right? And AC by DF. AC is 6. What is DF? 11. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. If that is the case, they are not similar. They are not similar. Because the ratio should be constant, the same ratio. Okay? I got the second triangle by multiplying all the sides by the same factor 2. 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 7, 14. Okay? So they are in proportion. And the third criteria that we will discuss today is SAS, also known as side angle side similarity, not congruency. Okay, there is a SAS congruency also, side angle side congruency, that is different. Okay, shape and size should be same. Here the size can be different. So what does side angle side congruency means? Sorry, what does side angle side similarity means? Let us draw two triangles. So two triangles are said to be similar if two of their sides are in proportion. Okay, AB, DE, AC, DF, these two sides are in proportion, and the included angle, the angle between those two sides, this is the angle here and this is the angle here. Okay, that angles, those angles are equal. That is side angle side similarity. Are similar if two of their sides are proportional and the angle included between those sides are equal. If A is equal to D, if angle A is equal to angle D, and AB by DE is equal to AC by, sorry, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AB by DE is AC by DF. So the two triangles are similar. Okay, the two triangles are similar when the corresponding sides, two of their corresponding sides are in proportion like this, and the angle included between those sides, this angle and this angle, these two angles are also equal. Then the two triangles are similar. That is SAS similarity. Okay, so pay special attention to this angle, because the angle should be between those two sides, not any other angle. If you say that this side and this side, these two are proportional and this angle is equal, no, that will not be the case. That will not be applicable here. What will be applicable is that the angle should be in between the sides that are proportional. These two sides are proportional and the included angle is A and included angle is D here. These two angles should be equal and the sides proportional. Then only the triangles will be similar. Okay? For example, this is 5, this is 7, this is 12, and this side is equal to 10, this is 14, this is 24. Now 5 by 10 is half. Okay, 7 by 14 is also half. So these two sides are in proportion, and suppose A is equal to D, then the two triangles will be similar. And all these criteria, the previous ones, AAA, SSS and this criteria SAS, all these are derived from the main fundamental theorem, that is BPT or basic proportionality theorem. So in the next class, we will discuss applications of these theorems in solving problems.